Hey there, welcome back to Tectonic. The secret is finally out Samsung's biggest zoom upgrades, since the Galaxy S24 Ultra is now finally coming with the next big generation, which is the Galaxy's 24 series, particularly with this 24 Ultra DS. Samsung is bringing the strongest 3x zoom lens they have ever brought on any of their flashes before. According to ICE Universe, Galaxy's 24 Ultra will feature a 50 megapixel 3x telephoto camera. This will bring a massive boost in image quality because of the higher resolution, while also improve the hybrid zoom quality from 3x all the way to 10x. This was one area where Samsung was kinda lacking compared to the competition, even though Samsung was better than the competition when it comes to the 10x lens, but because of lack of high resolution, the images didn't come as sharp at 3x level. Now, Samsung is finally bringing that with this 24 Ultra on top of their improved algorithm and camera ISP that is coming with the Snapdragon Agent 3 chip slash Exynos 2400. Fingers crossed we're gonna see some great results out of this new 50 megapixel 3x telephoto lens. I'm glad Samsung is choosing to do this instead of having a 5x zoom lens.